Want to learn how to easily remove people or objects from your photos without needing complex software? In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 incredibly simple tools in Canva that make editing your images fast and stress-free. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to remove people, animals, or objects from any photo using a few tools inside Canva. First, I've opened a YouTube thumbnail size page to work with. Feel free to use others. I've got a great image, but I want to remove the lady in it. To do that, just watch. I'll click on the image, go to Edit, and then use Magic Grab, which is a pro tool. In just a few clicks, I highlight the lady and her suitcase. Then, hit Grab when ready. And just like magic, she's gone, completely removed from the background. Next, we're going to tackle a trickier one, a picture with too many birds. This time I'm using Magic Eraser, another pro tool. You can adjust the brush size as needed to get precise results. I'll zoom in and carefully erase the birds I don't want. Then click Erase. It's super easy. But sometimes, depending on the picture, you might need to go over the area a second time to get it just right. So there you have it, 2 amazing ways to remove objects from photos in Canva. Whether it's Magic Grab for larger objects or Magic Eraser for finer details, Canva makes editing a breeze. Perfect for anyone looking to clean up their designs and give their photos a professional touch. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.